Welcome to our tutorial on setting up mobile URLs for enhanced user experience. Are you ready to optimize your links for mobile users? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of configuring mobile URLs to ensure seamless redirection for mobile device traffic. To get started, when creating a new link or editing an existing one, click on Show Advanced Settings and scroll down to Mobile URL. Here, you can insert the link that will be used if a click originates from a mobile device. For example, if your main URL is designed for desktop PCs, this option ensures that clicks from mobile devices are directed to a mobile-friendly website, enhancing user experience on smaller screens. Unlock the power of mobile optimization and take your link strategy to the next level today. Let's dive in and make your links mobile-friendly.